A new day, a new project, and here we are again. And finally, after a long waiting, here I have my two miners ordered from Heltec, and it's time to take them off the box. It came by FedEx, and I can say they did an excellent job with all the custom clearings and all the stuffs. And here we have the packs. I can't wait to see what's inside here. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is HT-M2808, the model number. One more here. That's the manual here, right? Very simple. And here we have the toy. Very well packed. This is sponge foam, pretty heavy and pretty nice. It's very elegant. Right. Yeah, model HT-M2808. The model HT-M2808 EU868. Of course, is for the European market. We have a warranty seal here. As you can see, it's very cold because it's cold outside. Anyway, nice packing. Power supply. 3 amps. 12 volts, 3 amps. European connector, and I think it's 3 dB antenna. This is the standard antenna. Now you can imagine why I was in such a hurry to build a collinear antenna. And if I'm here already, before anything else, anyway, I can't put it to work now because, like I said, this one been outside or in the car better, and it's pretty cold, so I just let it you see, get to accommodate with the room temperature. Nothing special here. LAN, USB-C. Here is the antenna output, adapter in, power button, and a couple of LEDs. We'll see later for what's that, and that's all. As long as I have my Nano VNA here on the bench, let's give a try and see how is this antenna behave. But we need an adapter like this, male to male. Funny. And okay, no, this is really funny. I can't check the antenna because I don't have the right parts. So we should have a female. What about having just a piece of, just the tip, like this? Call it the art of improvisation. Hopefully it's working. So I'm just getting this inside here into the mother, and this should be connected right here. Or even better, straight into the Nano VNA. Okay, you are too long. Got it. Voila. Let's see. So this is the original 3 dB antenna. Look here. Let me recall number 4, I think it was. Oh yes. So the antenna is like 1.33 on 878 megahertz. Display, back, stimulus. Let's have 800 M to 950 M. Okay, 149 and 876. Well, this is the original antenna. It's supposed to be 3 dB. We'll see if it's doing the job. Until now, everything's okay. The art of improvisation was working marvelous. So I'll just put this thing in there. Maybe I'll need it later sometime. I may say that my antenna is much better, but we'll see about this later when we're gonna start having real tests. Okay, I think now it's okay. It gets accommodate with the temperature very well. Here, let me have the antenna. Of course, this is just for testing now. It's not the setup antenna anyway. I'm not gonna use that one. It's way too weak. And I'm located in a pretty, how can I say, forest, hilly area. And let's plug the power. And let's go. Well, at least some LED, it's lighting here. Nice. Well, it's time to check the book. Okay, connect the antenna. First required, insert the network cable. If needed, plug in the power cord on the hotspot. Will turn it on. Okay, use Helium to connect to the hotspot. Okay. My phone is ready. I need to open my Helium. Alright. Hotspots. Add a hotspot. And this is a Heltec indoor hotspot. Okay. Skip for now. Diagnostic, I understand. Okay. Attach the antenna and power up. I'm powered up. There is no Bluetooth pairing. Of course, there is no Bluetooth because my Bluetooth is not opened yet. Now, I have my Bluetooth. Location permission, okay. Helium application just found my Heltec indoor, 63 something. Okay, what else do I have to do here? Probably I have to connect this guy to my Wi-Fi network. So for now we have this one. Lighting, and that's the system. Device was disconnected. Why? Okay. Blockchain synchronization. Scan for my. Okay, so it's doing a kind of synchronization, but where? Scan again. There we go. I think it was a matter of signal, you know. Okay, let me have this network here. Connecting to network. Okay. Set hotspot location. We need to set a location for your hotspot. You can use. Okay. No thanks, I'll set up later. Oh, yeah, we'll take it later. And now register the hotspot. Perfect. So just let it go for now. Okay, we have a blue here. That means Wi-Fi connection is successfully. And let's just let it run to see if it's registering the hotspot. Nice. And you can hear the fan running. So it's something happening there. This is nice. That means it's working. It's doing something. Beautiful. And we have a red. We had a red right here. That means it's sending. It's transmitting signals. Of course, this is not the place for my antenna. Will be, of course, in another position. You can hear the fan spinning. Nice. Okay, so the Wi-Fi it's on, and the hotspot now it's already on the Helium network, but I have to assert a location. Now it's still syncing, but I may say that it was a successful install for now. Okay, thank you for now. See you later with some news. Bye bye.